Hey guys, welcome back. This should be a super quick video. I want to answer the question, are NFTs liquid? I want to give you a live demonstration right now. I want to sell one of our crows right here. So let's see how fast and how liquid is this NFT market. So we're going to go ahead and list this guy right now for 0.71 Ethereum, list for sale. I'm going to have to go sign this transaction in my wallet. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm not even logged in, so I'll have to block this out probably so you don't see all my stuff. But here we go. All right, so boom, listing is confirmed, right? So boom, we've just listed the NFT, and let's see how liquid is it. How long will it take to sell? So you can see this means we now have the cheapest crow on the current market. And if we refresh here, give it a minute or two, maybe 3, maybe 4, it should get sold pretty quickly. And that should answer your question, are NFTs liquid? So right now it is 10:01 p.m. I'm not sure if you can see the time here, 10:01 p.m. And I'm just doing this live to show you these are liquid. There is a market. There are people buying these right now. And as we refresh a couple times, you will see how it gets sold. I'm keeping these two right here. I've got 3 others in my other wallet. You can see, guys, I've got Moody Crow Vegeta. Oh my God, this guy is sick. Look at this. Vegeta with a do-rag or whatever that is. Oh my God, this guy is just too sick. Okay, now the other guy, he's got zebras. Oh, boom, look at that. Okay, so it took about 1 minute for someone to buy that NFT from us. You can see what happens when you sell it. You now have 0.71 Ethereum. So guys, all I did was click a couple buttons, and now that Ethereum is withdrawing here under the pending transactions, which you can check. Obviously, I've blocked that out just because you see my address and you can go watch everything I do. What's the point of that, right? So, yeah, the point is NFTs can be illiquid. But, and the reason that is because you have to find a buyer who's willing to take it, right? It's not like Bitcoin. If you sell it, it's always going to sell, right? There's going to be a buyer. There's going to be somewhere for that Bitcoin to go when you put it on the market, right? So NFT, you put it on the market, you got to find someone to buy it. This is an example of how we were able to sell that very quickly. And, yeah, I don't plan on selling these two anytime soon. I believe the zebra skins are pretty rare. And then Vegeta is just, dude, that's Vegeta. I'm not selling that shit anytime soon for sure. So, yeah, guys, question answer there, hopefully. Moody Crows, I've obviously gave this tip to everyone, and we minted those. So think about it. Depending on who you are, someone was either stupid enough or smart enough to actually buy that crow for 0.71. Now, you can see they're going for 0.75 now. So he's already made a quick $100 like that, since there is no gas on Immutable X, guys. That's the beauty in Immutable X. So yeah, like I said, depending on who you are, that guy's either an idiot for just paying me about $2,500 for that, or he's a genius for it. Decide down below, guys, in the comments, is that guy dumb or is he smart for buying that for $2,500 from me? Up to you. But anyways, guys, huge trade here. That's over. Remember, we were minting these for 0.05. Just sold that right there for 0.71. So what's the X on that, guys? That's a 1,400% return. Yeah, that's right. Someone was willing to buy that for 0.71. So they were willing to pay me $2,500 for that picture. Is it silly? Or are we in a bubble? Let me know what you think down below. But guys, that's how you do it. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.